You have kids?
I have 2 girls. Yes.
And since how long you are married?
Okay. So I was married for 16 years. And then my husband fell in love with somebody else at work. And then I fell in love with somebody else for another 16 years. And,
Wow.
and then I've been by myself for 12 years. And then I had a little fling here, but that's finished now.
Great, great. You're having an adventurous life. You're 70, close to 70, but you're living a life of
25-year-old.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. I think that's how it should be.
Important.
Yeah, it's very important in life.
And age doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter.